So, emerging trends in sales management. To be successful in changing market environment, it is important that sales managers understand the importance of emerging trends in the following areas. So, emerging means becoming apparent or prominent. So, day by day, whatever new technologies or new impacts coming into the market, that we have to be adopt. So, global perspective, global competition is intensifying. Domestic companies who never thought about the foreign competitors are suddenly finding them in their backyard. Challenge is a sales managers and a salesperson must take on. They have to be improve their personal selling efforts not only in their countries but also in the foreign countries. Selling goods and services in a global markets presents a challenge due to a difference in culture, language, needs, and requirements. Every country has their different language, different cultures. Based on that, it will affect to the other countries. So, because of the globalization, we are enjoying the other countries' products also. Technological revolution, digital revolution and management information systems have a greatly increased the capabilities of the consumers and the marketing organizations. Consumers today can get the information about products, compare it with other brand, place and order and a place on order over the internet. So internet is giving the services of 24 into 7 so where you can order anytime, anywhere, and you can compare the brand and prices with each other sites. Customer relationship management, combining information technology with the relationship marketing has resulted in customer relationship management. Interestingly, the concepts of the relationship marketing came about earlier by bringing quality customer services and marketing together. So, the customer relationship management means the organization always engage with their customers. They always try to engage with their customers. Sales force diversity. The demographic characteristics of the sales force is changing and becoming a more varied. For example, more and more women are taking up a careers in a sales management and selling. Also, the education levels of salespeople is going up. Most of the holding and a college degrees or a postgraduate degrees. Sales managers now have to handle sales force of these varied demographic expectations of each and every individual is different. And sales manager need to use different motivational tools against each one of them. Team selling approach. The practice of team selling is more widely followed by the companies. Team selling approach is used when company wants to build a long-term mutually beneficial relationship with the major customers who have high sales and a profitable potentials. It is used for selling and technically complex product or service to potential customers. The composition of team may vary depending upon the customers from top management, technical specialist, customer services, etc. So team selling approach is the company wants to build. They are trying that team members should be very effective, who can easily communicate with the anyone. Managing multi-channels, multi-channels marketing system occurs when organization uses two or more marketing channels to target one or more customer segments. Major benefits of multi-channel marketing systems are lower channel cost, increased market coverage, and customized selling. Multi-channels may also lead to a conflicts and control problems as two or more channels may compete for same customers. A successful sales manager will have to effectively manage conflict between the channels. Ethical and social issues. Sales managers have ethical and social responsibilities. So in every work, we have to be very ethical. Salespeople face ethical issues such as bribery, deception or misleading and high pressure sales tactics. So today's sales managers have no choice but to ensure ethical standards from Salesforce. Otherwise, they may be out of business or even land up in a legal problems. Yes, if you are not going for the proper ethical, you are not maintaining ethics in your business, definitely you may face the legal problems.